let's start off. We've got, okay, that lick is, it sounds like he kind of does a few little X's there. That's on the tab up here. So we've got, now it's quite important you use the right fingers here. So you've got first finger, third, and then first finger, and now we're going to hit our third, 11, 13, 11, 13, then 13 to 15, and then second one. And they're just going to, you hear they ring kind of a bit together, so you get, and then that rings over into the second phrase, which is, and you can use your second finger still here, and just hammer on with your little finger. That's what's going to happen. We're going to go, so we've got, you see what I mean? There's the last bit of the first phrase. That rings, and he plays almost exactly the same thing but a bit different, which is the key of all great guitar solos. So second little finger again, 14, so, and then 13 to 15. And then the final phrase in this little solo, this part of the solo, is, so we've got one first finger on 11, 3 of those, and then we're going to hit, and then up we go. Okay, so the whole thing, phrase 1, then same again, and then, okay, that is solo 1, which appears at around 1:30, I think. At 2:30 in the song, there's like an outro solo, so let's learn how to play that. Okay, here's the second solo, 3, 4, and alright, let's have a look at that. Now that is over the chords E flat, D flat, and B. Okay, so let's start off. We're just playing a little arpeggio here. Surprisingly, E flat. Okay, so first up we've got, so that's 14, 13, 14, 11, and then bend up and hold it for a while. Nice slow bend up to that note. And then the second phrase we've got is almost the same. So 14, 13, 14, 11, down to 7. Okay? And then it comes up at the end of that phrase. So and then you just do a little trill, so basically on and off. So that's 11, 9, 11, 9, 11, down to 9, and then 8, 8. And there's one more kind of little 8 in there, and then he goes to the very final bit, which is make it ring as long as you can. See, volume always helps. And that is the end of the second solo that happens at 2:30. So, thanks very much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, a bit of an on-demand situation. If you want to subscribe for more videos just like this, there's a new one every Saturday. Click the subscribe link and you will be notified when there are new videos. For all the gear I've used, please check out the description, including all the sounds and blah, blah, blah. There's links to Amazon stuff in there if you want to check out the pedals or whatever. I am an affiliate. I'll speak to you soon. All the best and good luck with this tune. Cheers. Bye.